Pigmines Brewing, beer with no boundaries. Located in McChesney Park, near Rockford, Illinois. Hard-working men and women serving hard-working beer for people who grab life by the horns. Like the always controversial Southie Bitch Slap, Sweep the Leg IPA, and Prunus the Bitter. People come from all around to soak in the joy that is Pigmines Brew. Like this guy. She likes it too. And employees who love their own beer. Joe Daddy Imperial Coffee Stout, Blue Collar Ale for guys like you, and Panty Dropper. The Fonz would be proud of that one. Celebrate with great bartenders and an award-winning vegan menu. We keep it clean and even have guys with tattoos. Dance your way to McChesney Park, Illinois and see what all the fuss is about. Tap a keg, crack open a bottle, or grab an ice-cold glass. Pigmines Brew. Drink one today.